You must have the best Fiverr gig ideas in order to sustain a good rate on Fiverr. Fiverr has a list of more than 3 million services on their site. In order to survive in this competitive platform, your gig idea must really stand out among the others. A super hot selling gig is good. A super hot selling gig which you can complete in no time at all will be even better. You can earn more than others with a gig that costs you lesser time than others. This will be most amazing for you if you are a result-oriented person because you can see results almost instantly. This is why niche research is essential. You can earn massive revenue if you pick the right niche. So I am not going to waste our time anymore. Let's get into the niche research. There are 3 big niches that have generated most of the sales on Fiverr, which are internet marketing, graphics, and video creation. These are the ultimate surefire niches. There is no ranking for them as they are equally hot-selling gigs on Fiverr. You may see a trend here. These are the niches that are worth more than $5. Yes, this is the exact reason why they can be the best-selling gigs on Fiverr, because people love to receive something that is worth more than what they paid. You can start by looking for something that you can offer under any one of these niches. Starting with the internet marketing niche, here is a list of services that you can offer as starters. The internet marketing niche is wide, and it can take up to hours just to complete the task. So, what you can do is brainstorm on the sub-niche under internet marketing that will not cost you much more time to complete. SEO keyword research is one of the services that you can offer for $5. If you have basic knowledge about keyword research, you are good to go. Lots of small businesses and startups do not have their own marketing specialists to do this for them. So they start looking for services like this to deliver quality reports with lower costs. Besides keyword research, you can add on gig extras to stack up the order. You can offer domain name ideas and content writing services. Adding up other gig extras, you can earn up to $15 to $20 for a gig. Moving on, content creation is also a highly demanded hot service. What you can offer is a 300 or 500 word article and charge them $5. If they wish to have longer articles, they will need to pay another $5 to get a multiple of your gig. Do the same to add up a few options for gig extras, such as ebook writing for another $50. You can offer as many as you like as long as it's congruent to your service. Last but not least, you can offer them a squeeze page building service for $5. Building a squeeze page is not a difficult task. It may take you half a day or a full day to build it. This is because some of the internet marketers, especially newbies, do not know how to build a page. Let's move on to the next niche, the graphic niche. For the graphic designers out there, this would definitely be the right place for you. When you are wondering where to get extra income just by what you're doing, Fiverr is for you. Since there are lots of things that you can offer in graphics, let's just focus on 3 of the main ones on Fiverr. It is possible to earn up to $2,000 a month with the graphic-related gigs. First and foremost would be logo creation. Did you know that logo creation from a professional designer can cost up to thousands of dollars? And if you can offer a nice one with a lower price, why not? This is what makes logo designing the super hot selling gig at the moment. Creating a vector can be an easy job for you, but people are still looking for someone to do it for them. So this can be a great additional freelance that will not take much of your time, and at the same time be your second stream of income. And don't forget to add a few gig extras options in your order. Lastly, flyers designs. Tons of businesses out there need flyers and posters, and they are ready to pay you a good amount of money for it. Usually, one order can stack up to $30 easily with some gig extras. There are a lot more gig ideas that you can offer on Fiverr in the graphic niches, such as infographics, business card design, and the list goes on and on. Video creation is the third niche that has most of the featured gigs. Especially for internet marketers, they want videos like this and much more. Making a video is not easy if you do not have the right tools. Hence, outsourcing is the easiest way. The first choice would be offering to create a whiteboard animation. With the right video marketing software, you can easily make up to 3-minute whiteboard animations within a day. And you can charge them $5 for each minute, which makes up to $15 here. In addition, you can offer them a voiceover recording for $15. The calculation's easy. You can earn at least $30 with just a single gig. The second most popular video that most marketers need is a speed drawing video. This can be done easily with video making software as well, yet people are willing to pay for someone else's time to do the job for them. If you did not belong to any of the three niches that I've shown you just now, do not worry. If you belong to other fields and are still keen to start selling on Fiverr, here's what you're going to do. First and foremost, you can offer a voiceover service on Fiverr. If you are confident with your own voice, marketers occasionally need a certain accent to speak in their video. Here's when they will need to outsource this to someone else. You need not have a fully equipped studio to do this, just an additional microphone and a silent place will do. Apart from this, proofreading and editing services are very much needed on Fiverr as well. Proofreading and editing can be two separate gigs. It's easy if you have a good command of English. You can offer to proofread a 300 or 500 word article for $5. They will need to get multiple gigs from you if they need more. And then offer them a gig extra option to edit the article for another $5 or $10. Last of all, offer a translation service. If you are fluent in other languages, you can afford to offer this service on Fiverr. You can charge a little extra because translation needs more time than content creation and proofreading. Offer them a 200-word translation for $5. They will add up the rest.